Hello friend, welcome to JoyTech. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can turn off Siri suggestions at your iPhones. If you are irritated from suggestions that are made by the Siri for you at your iPhones and you want them to turn this off, then keep watching this full video, and after watching this full video you will be easily fix this problem at your iPhones. Now let's start today's topic. Firstly, open your settings. Now scroll it up. Now tap at Siri and search. Now scroll it up until you see suggestions from Apple. Now page my screen you can see. Now simply turn off all these toggles at your devices, and like this you can easily turn off all these suggestions at your iPhones. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like it and share it. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos notifications. And if you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.